Now, this is how you can transfer cellular data to a new iPhone. Now, naturally, if you still have the two phones, the easy solution is to simply set up a personal hotspot to just get the data which you use on one device to another, which is kind of simple to do. But if you want to go a bit further, obviously you want to do more or different stuff. The easiest way is to simply just move the SIM card. If you have the physical one, you need to, of course, use the SIM ejector and then just move it over into the new device. Because as you know, the cellular data are tied to your SIM card. So you need to set it up on a new device and you will be able to continue with the plan with your carrier, with the prepaid or recurring one, whatever it might be. You just need to have the SIM card in the new iPhone. If you, however, do not have the physical slot in your new device or even in the old one, you will need to set up the cellular data through the eSIM. And for that, you need to open up the settings and click on the cellular option right there, which should be easily found. And there is literally just one button to set up cellular. And the possibility is that you can just transfer it from a nearby iPhone, which would likely be the best option. So you can just do that, and your another iPhone will get a pop-up that you can move over the SIM card to a new device. So it would work very well in this situation. However, as I said, if you have like a new device and the old one has a physical SIM, then you will likely need to get in touch with your carrier and make them switch you over to the eSIM. So you get like a QR code and then you tap on the other option, which is to scan a QR code, and that's how you'll be able to set it up. So that's it for me. Hopefully I could help you out. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you never miss another straight to the point tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.